You think genius is something you're born with? Wrong. Most people believe it's inherited or a lucky trait. But the truth? Genius is cultivated. And it starts with one tiny daily habit, something almost no one talks about. Here's the deal. Your brain has untapped potential, and every day you ignore it is a day you fall behind. Historical legends, inventors, thinkers, they weren't born smarter. They built their brains with small, consistent rituals. And you can do the same in just 5 minutes a day. Step 1. Morning spark. Start your day with clarity. Take 2-3 minutes to meditate or do deep breathing. Shut out the noise. Focus only on your mind, your goals, your growth. Then grab a journal and write down one thing you want to master today. This small act sets your brain into high gear. Next, fuel your mind. Read or learn something new for 10 minutes. Could be a skill, a concept, or a chapter from a book. The goal is focus, not perfection. This is how your brain starts rewiring itself. Step 2. Midday reinforcement. Most people hit a slump after lunch. You don't. Move for 5-10 minutes. Stretch, walk, step outside, and give your brain a reset. Then tackle one small high-impact task. Finish it fast. This creates momentum. Your brain loves progress, and it rewards you with clarity and confidence. Step 3. Evening integration. Before bed, spend a few minutes reflecting. What did you learn today? What can you do better tomorrow? Write it down. Then set your next day's single most important task in your mind. Your subconscious will start working while you sleep. Genius doesn't rest, it evolves. Here's the harsh truth. Consistency beats intensity. Showing up imperfectly every day is far more powerful than doing a rare perfect day. Adapt these steps to your lifestyle, iterate, and stick to them. Over weeks, your brain won't just improve, and it will transform. Do this every day, baby, and you'll notice a shift. You'll think faster, focus better, and handle challenges with ease. Most people will never try it, but you can unlock a level of productivity and intelligence that 99% of people never reach. So here's your challenge. Start tomorrow morning. 5 minutes, one habit. Total focus, see what happens in a week. In a month, you won't recognize yourself. That's how geniuses are made, and it's not luck, it's strategy.